Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the TikTok trend that's been going on lately. It's called the Nano Banana AI. You've probably seen it, and people are turning their pictures into these cool toy 3D style figures. So first we go to Gemini, and the second step is you need to select the photo that you want to use it for the trend. So for this video I'm going to use this photo. It is preferable to use a photo that shows full body and not much details in the background, and try it. If the AI fails, you can use an AI background remover to have a better quality, but you can use it how it is. However, the AI will remove the background. So you click on the plus icon right here, you click on upload file, you upload your image, and you need the prompt for the Nano Banana AI. I'm gonna leave it in the description box. You copy the prompt, you paste it, you click submit. You can get rid of that. Just wait a second. It took less than 30 seconds. So click on the image. So next we're gonna try another prompt. So you upload the same image or another image that you have, and this is the second prompt. You copy the prompt, paste, submit. Okay, so this is picture perfect. This is how the prompt really described it. I have seen a couple of trends on TikTok, and the desk one and the store one were the most popular, so I wanted to try them. I love the Marvel style as well. So basically the model, the Nano Banana AI, has unlimited potential. You can just play with the prompt to make it fit your preferred styles. Just make sure to keep key points like Nano Banana style, 1/7 scale, like the ZBrush if you want to keep. You can change the style, the base, for example, if you don't want the model to have a base. Just make sure to not remove keywords from the prompt. And that was about it for today's tutorial. Do not forget to check FindMyAITool-io for the latest AI tools classified by quality and user experience.